might seem like an ordinary diagonal cutters, but since it's a Wiha product, it has some additional perks. Those BiCut professional cutters have a special dynamic joint design that reduces effort required for cutting and doubles the power with a push of a button. The cutters are corrosion resistant thanks to the chrome coating, are VDE certified and are approved for 1000 volts AC. The pliers have a wider angle, which is useful for large cable diameters up to 3 mm. By using the BiCut function, you get 200% of the power, the opening angle is smaller, but allows you to cut springs, nails and chains. Don't forget to wear protective gear. Check TME's website to find more details about this and more products. Browse through over 600,000 items and get everything you want. You need it? We have it.